Good afternoon, everybody. This is Adam from MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to be featuring the 2024 Yamaha FSH Sport E. So right now this boat has twin 1.9 motors at roughly 200 horsepower apiece, so 400 horsepower to get you across the lake as fast as you'd like. Some of the things that you can't see in the back here, so we've got cushioned upholstered backrest to make your ride as comfortable as possible. We've got a rear table mount, so as you want to relax in the water, you've got all the options in the world to do that. You have your rear audio controls as well. Now as I step forward into the cockpit, you see there's no shortage of rod holders or cup holders. We do have our live well, which is controlled right from the helm. We have our Yamaha cooler, and one of these amazing features is this adjustable backrest here. So you can be as social as you'd like with your guests, or you could just be a comfortable captain. As I step through further, we do have our jump seats here on both sides, port and starboard. And one of the things that's tough to see from this angle, but you do have rod holders on both sides as well. So you're going to be able to fit 3 rods in there, very comfortable, as well as additional rod holders here. Now, if you come on through here, we're going to talk about the helm a little bit. There are a ton of options here. We've got your Yamaha motor controls. This little dandy here, this is going to adjust your throttle, so you could have a single throttle or you could work with both of them. We do have our Simrad system, which has your chart plotter, GPS, as well as what we're displaying now in the fish finder, audio controls, and a cell phone charger. This little button here, this is going to be your wash down. So you've got your self-bailing cockpit, and that wash down is going to be extremely helpful for you and your guests to get clean before you get on the boat. All right, now we're going to go further forward. Now you'll see the Yamaha layout. I mean, Yamaha does a great job of layouts and storage, and we're going to talk a little bit about that. So both sides, you've got a similar setup. So you could use this for seating, you can use this to rest your drinks, but in here on both sides, we've got lots of storage, and there's going to be a trash can on both sides, so no excuse for the guests to get messy. All right, we've got an extra seat here also. So this is actually a really cool feature. So not only can you use this while you're underway, there is a ton of storage in here. It could double as a changing room, really whatever you need. Let me just pull this back so you can see how much storage is in there. Right now we've just got a cover, but tubes, anything that you'd need. Moving up to the bow, you can see that we've got our filler option here in place right now, but lots of seating for your guests, lots of configurations, and Yamaha is always great for cup holders. All the way forward, we've got our dedicated anchor locker as well, so that's going to stay out of the way. It's got its own spot, just like everything else does on these Yamaha boats. Again, my name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. And we just reviewed the 2024 Yamaha FSH Sport E. The best phone number for us is 803-831-2101. Thank you.